WhatsApp has been banned. Every time you try to open WhatsApp, it is written in front. This account cannot use WhatsApp. Why is it written like this? So, no need to worry. In today's video, I will tell you what is the reason why WhatsApp is banned. So, friends, let's start the video without time wasted. Welcome to another video. Thank you very much for your feedback. Friends, the target of 100 likes on today's video has to be met. Don't skip the video to know the complete details. Friends, as per WhatsApp official claim, accounts are banned by WhatsApp if they feel that the use of the account is against our terms of service, such as when spam or fraud is involved, or when the security of WhatsApp users is at risk. There are 4 reasons why WhatsApp happens. 1. Violation of WhatsApp terms of service. Users are expected to abide by all policies and helpful messages on WhatsApp. Your account may be banned if you violate any of these restrictions, including sending unsolicited messages, using AI bots or engaging in illegal activities, or interacting on WhatsApp with automated software. 2. Reports from other users. WhatsApp may investigate your account at any time and take appropriate action, such as banning your account. If other WhatsApp users report abuse, sending unwanted messages, or breaking platform policies. 3. Unofficial. Using a WhatsApp version. If you use an unofficial or modified version of WhatsApp that is not approved by the app owners, your account may be blocked. 4. Technical issues. Technical issues or glitches may occasionally lead to bans. Although they are not common, certain situations can occur. If WhatsApp is banned due to any of these reasons, what to do after seeing this? This account cannot use WhatsApp. We have completed our review. So there are basically 2 solutions. 1. Contact WhatsApp support. Contact the WhatsApp support team from the app itself or through their official website. Explain your situation and provide any necessary details they may need. They will review your case and respond accordingly. I usually send an email to support@whatsapp.com like this screenshot, then wait for about a few hours. 2. Wait for the ban to be lifted. If you think your ban was the result of a temporary issue, you can wait for some time to see if your account is automatically restored. It may take 1 hour, 1 day, 3 days, or maybe a week. However, it is important to note that sometimes WhatsApp ban decisions are usually final, especially when more than 5 people report you.